Hey guys, welcome back to another Full Tilt Drift video. Today we're tearing down the Mustang T5 manual transmission from the 240 because it is making a horribly loud whining noise. We've already had this one apart once when the 3rd, 4th, and 5th gear synchros were busted when I bought it, and we ordered a rebuild kit, rebuilt it, and we must have messed up on one of the bearings or something inside because it is just a horrific whining noise from this thing. So I'm going to tear it down right now, try to identify the problem. Since I've already had this trans apart once, it shouldn't take too long to get it apart. And I've already got the tools out that I know I'm going to need and stuff like that, so let's get right into it. Oh, well, I think I found my problem area. Oh, that was terrible. Wow, okay. Okay. Wow. Alright guys, we are barely disassembled and I believe I just found my problem. This is the input shaft for the transmission. It comes out the front right here. Now, this has 15 little roller bearings inside that spin around the main shaft of the transmission, and they need a washer behind them to set the proper clearance. And when I pulled this out, there was no washer inside. I'm going to keep tearing it down to make sure it didn't just fall into the case, but those needle bearings are destroyed in here. And the front end of the main shaft is not looking too good either. But hopefully that's completely reusable because that is the most expensive piece in this transmission. So right now, continue disassembly until I can get this lid off and look around inside for the missing washer. Never good when you pull out that much metal on your speedo plug. Alright guys, now that I got it apart, I'm going to take you over here and you guys can see what I saw the first time I got inside my transmission. It's pretty messed up. Okay folks, this is my transmission, and if you direct your attention to the 1 to 2 hub slider, which is this guy right here, you will see as I turn this that basically all of the teeth are just wrecked. I hope you guys can see that as well as I can. Those are just horrifically damaged. Get a more frontal angle on there for you. Look at that, there's not a point on a single one of these teeth. The other big problem is that our input shaft connects to our main shaft right here, and all that pitting right there was caused by the missing spacer. So now I need to see if I can try and polish this down some so that it's not as rough, so that when I put the input shaft bearings back onto it with new ones, it won't just instantly ruin the bearings. Alright guys, I knew that that hub slider in here from 1st and 2nd gear was going to be messed up because I saw that the first time. It is a little bit more messed up now, but honestly, that's one of those things that I'm just going to have to ride it out and use this transmission until it actually goes, because that piece alone is pretty expensive. The front end of the main shaft is more my concern. If I can buff that up, get it a bit smoother just so that it's not catching on those bearings or anything, that's going to be ideal. I'll order a new set of needle bearings and that won't cost very much, and luckily I'm pretty sure I found the spacer washer laying around, but I'm going to check measurements and make sure. Alright guys, I guess that's it for this really quick episode of Full Tilt Drift. I hope you guys like this quicker vlog setup where I'm getting information out to you guys more regularly. If you guys have any questions, please do leave them in the comments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It would really help me out. I'm trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark and I'm almost there. Alright guys, I'll see you next time on Full Tilt Drift.